The best folding high chairs for babies and buying guide. When you're shifting from breastfeeding to more solid food, a high chair becomes essential to make sure that your baby is seated upright, starting from the age of 6 months. All the way up until they are at least 3 years old, your baby will require a high chair. And what better option than to consider one of the best foldable high chairs? They offer convenience, safety, and durability, and go a long way in helping your child enjoy their mealtime. Some of these high chairs are also lightweight and portable, so you can use them both indoors or even take them out with you. We've rounded up a list of the best foldable high chairs for you to pick from. Number 1. Best Foldable. Infans High Chair for Babies and Toddlers. Feeding your baby or encouraging self-feeding can be a tricky task, but with the Infans High Chair for Babies and Toddlers, the whole process can get a lot easier. The easy-to-install high chair is designed with high-quality materials and has a stable pyramid structure for your convenience. With 7 levels of height adjustability, this high chair grows with your child. It's also easy to clean and has a 5-point safety belt, along with smooth edges on the tray to ensure safety around your little one. What we like: removable PP top tray, 3 length adjustable footrests, backrest with 5 adjustment angles, poo leather cushioned, waterproof. What we don't like: attaching and detaching the tray could be tedious. Some may find it bulky. Number 2. Best one-hand folding. Graco Slim Snacker High Chair. The Graco Slim Snacker High Chair is a great choice for parents looking for a modern, all-in-one high chair for their growing baby. Featuring a slim, space-saving design, it easily fits into even the smallest of spaces and can be folded with one hand. It has 7 adjustable height positions and 3 recline positions, allowing it to accommodate your child as they grow. The removable tray can be adjusted in 4 different positions, so your baby can always be at the perfect height to access the tray. Be assured that your baby will feel comfortable in this high chair with also a 3-position recline feature. What we like: storage basket underneath, wipeable seat pad, self-standing fold, easy to assemble. Tray features a cup holder. What we don't like: not suitable for newborns. Footrest may not be accessible for tiny legs. Number 3. Best Machine Washable. Veyoo Portable Baby High Chair. You're going to want to check out the Veyoo Portable Baby High Chair. That comes in handy when you're traveling, because it is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The fast fold design can be set up and disassembled in less than minutes. The foldable high has an easy cleanup design that makes your baby's mealtime a relaxing experience. What we like: has a 5-point safety belt, comes with a storage bag, removable tray, 5-level adjustable tray makes it growth-friendly, circular feet design for stability, sturdy. What we don't like: the tray may be cumbersome to mount for some. Some may find the straps short. Some may not find the chair to be proportionally sized. Number 4. Best Compact. Infans Baby High Chair. There's nothing better than a high chair design that grows with your baby, and the Infans Baby High Chair does just that. This high chair has 7 height adjustment options and a 3-position footrest adjustment feature, with a multifunctional adjustment feature. The chair also has a detachable and breathable cushion with a 4-position seat recline, so your baby can relax and take a post-lunch nap. The stable and safe support is backed by solid steel legs and inbuilt rear pulleys for easy navigation. What we like: removable double trays, fixed safety barrier, includes a detachable storage basket, freestanding fold, has a 5-point safety harness, breathable poo cushion, pyramid design for stability. What we don't like: wheels may not lock. Food trays may seem high for some toddlers. Some may not find the straps firm enough. Number 5. Best BPA-free. Joovy Nook High Chair. With 4 depth adjustments, the Joovy Nook High Chair is a great choice for parents looking for a durable chair that lasts as the child progresses to preschool. Free of BPA, phthalates, BPS, and lead, the chair is designed from materials that are safe for your child. Further, the 5-point harness keeps your child safely seated as they move on the high chair. Once your child is done with their mealtime, You can simply fold it flat and store it away until you next use it. What we like: one-handed tray opening, swing open tray, dishwasher safe tray inserts, easy to clean leatherette seat, available in several colors. What we don't like: the back is not adjustable. The plastic tray cover may be prone to scratches. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.